So we're back with a 5-minute quickie. 5 minutes to muse, 5 minutes just to get our old cells and the old grey matter moving. And the thing is, the question I'm going to ask you today is, what are your best assets? You know, those things that you do well. The things that you do really well. Do you really know them? Because I bet you don't. And there's reasons why you don't. One is, you could be a little bit modest. The other is, your best skills are subconscious. You do them naturally. It's like the skills you have that you don't know they're a skill because you feel they come so naturally to you. And therefore, how can there be a skill if you do it naturally and naturally well? And you see, I think these skills are hiding in plain sight. And that's why you can't see them, because they're bloody hiding in plain sight. They're there. They're always there. You use them, but you could use them even more if you knew they were there or what they were. Because I think when you know what these skills are, they lead to your passion. They give an indication, a direction to your real, ultimate you, what you're here for, your mission. Heavy stuff, I know, but it's a direction to head in, I think. Certainly gives you the information. But how do you find these bloody things? How do you find them? Well, I've got a way. Thing is, you have to be really brave. You really do. And when I say brave, it means asking people. And how do you do that? You don't actually go up to them and say, "Excuse me, can you tell me what I'm good at?" Because that's a little bit over the top, isn't it? It's in their face. They need time to think. They need, in some ways, something to not hide behind, but something that you can't challenge. So what I'd like you to do, if you're really brave and take up this challenge, is to email or write to five of your maybe close friends. Maybe pick one that isn't your closest, but someone you maybe work with. Someone you respect. Someone, if they told you something, you'd go, yeah, I'd follow what you say because I know you're saying it for the best of reasons. And in that email, in that letter, you say, been listening to this podcast, and this guy, Paul, has said to ask you, what do you think my skills are? What do you think I'm good at? What do you think I naturally do that is really quite good, that maybe I don't know? And whatever you say will be fine. I just want to explore. Wishing you well. Look forward to hearing from you really soon. And then let it go. And if you pick wisely, not the people who will tell you all the good things that you already know, or they'll butter you up, or they'll just try to do it. But you want an honest opinion, an objective opinion. It's not criticism, it's an objective opinion of who and what you do. Who you are and what you do. And I know that you think you know a lot of those skills, those assets. But I think you'll be surprised when you get those answers back. Every time I've got people to do this, they suddenly realise that, wow, I didn't realise that is what people think is a good thing. In fact, they're telling me I excel at that bloody thing, and I thought it was just something that everybody does. And then you can ask yourself, when you get those, how can I make it even better? Because that would be good. How can I share this maybe? And how can I serve others with this skill or these skills? And if you could do that, man, you are really giving the world and everyone in it a little bit of a golden nugget, a gem, and giving yourself, expecting nothing in return. So are you brave enough, my friend? Are you brave enough? You are, aren't you? You really are brave enough, surely. You are. blame it on me and send that email, send that letter, send that text. And then obviously when you get the answer back, just say, thank you so much. Well, I know you would anyway. And then just muse. Muse on the things you get back, because I think you will be not shocked, but you'll be, oh, wow, that's how I think you're going to feel. There you go. I'd love to hear your feedback on this one. I love to hear your feedback on everything, but this one, I really love to hear your feedback, because when I've got it with other people, it's so good, so wonderful to hear what they learned and what they did with it. So if you like to email me, I say that more clearly. If you'd like to email me at personaldevelopment, no, it isn't at all, is it? It's feedback@personaldevelopmentunplugged.com. Do that and I'll send you a reply, whatever happens. Yeah, and then we'll share it to the world. Share skills that other people can learn. We might be able to model you. Wouldn't that be good? So have fun. Have more fun than you can stand. And go do those questions. Or that question. See you soon. Bye-bye now.
Warning, you are now leaving the unplugged mind of Paul Clough. It's time to fly on your own. Be brave, my friend.
Personal Development Unplugged.